irare nyinge weekend.
Yes. No reke tugehe ndasi irare guku. Ti ndasi. Ni ndasi ri. Ideally ungigwetera mundu ndasi especially mundu wa Ngoni. Mundu umetera wa goka guku. Tui ndasi ni gukati.
Ni gukatika ni guthungutha.
Ni guthungutha.
Ukenda gutahwo mai ciande.
Yes. Ni guthigitha thimiti kauma rukungu.
Ukarenga njoya.
Yes. You can know where I am coming from.
Yes.
No ne kurare ndasi na ndianirirwo muno. Guti handu hatinda hakirwa tree ati are birds running out. Ati 60% sold out. Yes.
Kana weekend yake gwa kuhiwo murio.
Wewe uraianire. What's Gitaga mwana wakio hii. Dragwe tiradasi. Gitaga wajiri wa waya. There was this gentleman wakuma Korea, United States of America. We talk Kenny G.
Kenny G.
Yes.
Yes, I overheard of his performance.
He's a jazz saxophonist. Yes. Nyamuiria huhaga ri. Kama mutambuka wa huga the instrument ya huhaga ri. Karubeta kauga.
Kau ne karubeta.
Katitiganete muno na kale kamande wakio ahuha nyimbo-ini ciake cia mbere.
Cia para.
Yes.
Na miau kapusi.
No akia saxophone. Yes. Na no kwa huha kana bandi ya ku support ri wakuhe ke.
Karubeta gaka.
Yes. Ni ai performire ukura coka athie Kampala. Ndiure kukungia rathire. Na squad yo theri. Ngwiciria ni athie na mbeca cingigana CDF.
Iria ararihirwo
etagwo Kenny G. Nyimbo ciake ni horeru. Bandiwe cia kwi handu DJ kana Pasueri kana DJ Gocha. Magira heirwo wira
wa guthaka.
Gikonyore ti urari MC.
Natige toero.
Panda. Ona ti hype D. Kana volano. Kone ladies and gentlemen. Kenny G. Yes. Na nyimbo diga niwe nyimbo ciake.
I think I've had
especially the millennials that makoreire in urban centers re. Are mathikagiriria late on the KBC English service. Sundowner na midday melodies. Yes. Macho niyo magirire na nyimbo cia Kenny G. Mundu reirwo nyandu mari.
Sorry ori.
Aje mara to na mutheni wa Ngai.
Ke mahuri.
Tene nyambere.
Rishau na gwa kungu.
Mother and son.
Na kia ndege mbesa yani.
Kenton na Crampton. DK.
Nacho ni maina. Ngo ikakungi.
Anywaida adu wa mokai.
Mwenye daona cienduru.
Nibu adali horo aziake dika hutio hanini ha. You say this one. This yo. Ogwo. Megwa oderu boro. Ogwo. Ando maraikarire thi gutiri mundu urokira kana guthungutha for I think around 2 or 3 hours. O muhirwo ke
karubeta
apparently karubeta kana gatuma mundu ariganwo ni meciria ma maruni gutahwo
therapeutic
ni gakweheragia thino nyumu.
Au twara veho gatagatiga au kuna.
Well, ndungita Karisu wa Visto mureo ni ndasi.
Nagete kiate yo ni ndasi.
Ona gitoero.
Ona joe limu sebere.
Dagere na kurare ho ngiri 10 tigiti uria wira hivi. Mati mataha.
10.
Yes. Just that wĩrĩga tũthiaga like kwa nyĩmbo ciake rĩ. It's called Kenny G. Ndarehagia goro arehagia from around 150,000 USD nginyagia dola 300,000.
$150,000.
Yes, for a performance.
Oh, icio Kenya times 1. That dola ya sejena ke 139.
On a average ya 140. That's around
20 million there about
1 million Kenya shillings.
Yeah.
Otukomwe.
Na tigo keithia.
Keithia gekatia.
Eyo ndiri mpaka che.
Hapana, na ndiri wapi duru. Na oti hando DJ aragoithia ngirathi.
Million kibao.
Kuhuri goro uguo kahora. Arekia kama mukahura rohi. Yes. Kitu ya kwanza huko uwezi ingia na jaba. Apparently the cheapest ticket was 10,000 bob.
Ira raithi muno.
Yes. All the way to I think 40,000. Kuligana na rakueria mu karubeta kale.
Karubeta kale na mukahuri.
Na tikamu athani. Ageje kage masosi hono inire. Marathire Uganda marari ha 200,000 maku
mbeca cia kou
mbeca ciao nacio nĩ hũthũ
kou twagĩkuire mbeca na makonia
mbeca cio mbembe yao nĩ kĩgoi
nĩ gĩthigũ
no atĩrĩrĩ no igua kũhũrwo kau aragũtho 20 million.
Cool.
Gai muthuri.
Na raingira ndege arathonga
arathie Kampala gwetha kibao kingi. Mweci athiũrũkire mabũrũri ta mana. No ndĩ gũkũ ayũka affordable.
Rĩu gũkũ atiarĩhĩtie raithi biũ.
Na gũkũ nĩ raithi, gũkũ nĩ affordable.
Tondũ roka mabũrũri mareyũkĩrĩria.
It's like a massive mission. Mũtigatigĩrĩrwo nĩ mwago.
Kebao nĩ gũtũnyitĩrĩra.
Yes please. Eci nĩ mbeca ũngĩnengera Samido mwĩre auhe kanyamũ kau. Ona kaba akuĩre ho. Wĩre Samido milioni 20. Agĩkauha akomete arorete igũrũ.
Ona kamanda wakĩoi tondũ nĩ mũkahuhire.
Yes.
Umwĩrire 20.
Yes. Unigire Joy wa Macario mwĩre ĩga kanyamũ.
Ati ũkahuhe.
Yes.
Mathaa matatu.
Yes.
Unengerwo 20.
Yes. Ndĩrakwĩra agĩkauha nginya araika maikũrũke kũmenya no ũcio.
No ũcio rahuha. Karumbeta.
Kakuma memo. So, I can authoritatively tell you, no artist or musician in Kenya is paid 20 million.
Hakuna, hata mimi sijui, hata sijawahi sikia.
Nete kinya hau we no akũrĩhia nĩ odera. No, he went with a cool 20+ million.
Yeah. Hey, yeah.
Isi beso gerera giraga.
Kafanye maima di mumweri mugima.
Yes. Na ria kiria giothe kiriago.
Kana ime kiria mundu angeima.
Yes.
Athonde.
Ukanengire je yeni gakuhi. Kana Joyce wa mama. Agiga kaende. Sana. Fatane murre bauni. Atiga bauni. We ngori.
5M.
5 million. Ona wakuni no akahu.
Agĩkahuho make.
Ĩtagwo saxophone. Yes.
Ati ũgakahuho oinokie bauni. Ona nuthu yeyo.
Ingĩkahuha ciagendi cieke atĩa. Kwato wekana mũkũirũ no yankũirũ nĩ marĩ raini. Angĩtia kĩ?
Raini.
Watoro. Kana vaina wa OTC. Etia raini ũguo. Ukamba uni. Kata laini. Nyamu.
Aririe nginya karumbeta kere. Karumbeta gaka ndakwariria.
Ndagwatha.
Turahita ki?
Yes.
Bauni.
Laini kiuta.
Nĩ mbaũ ni tũrahĩta.
Yes. Ndakũra konogira rĩu Samido. Erwo he andũ araheo mbaũni ya kũua kanyamũ gaka. Angĩcokanĩria aini othe. Macokanĩrie hakiri cia kũua kanyamũ
gaka. Message all notes available.
Yes. No tukuzo magĩũkĩra mena nyĩmbo 50 cia kanyamũ
gaka. Nginya menye kũhingira rĩera.
Yes. Ndikaigua akaigua uguo waigua he andu karambata iguru na igua uguo ndirakwira hece ndungwa gikaruta uguo yaka una migi baoni agira gativia tigiti
we gativia
nyamu ndegenye enako kana commander Chief General Commander
agiwe muthenya ucio ngite huruke
lete hiyo kitu mnasema sasa hiyo ni kitu ya kusida mimi nimekuwa na gita since 1972
nitaiweka chini
wakati ile nilienda kule 1972 nilikuwa na gita
kuri uhoro nahi
kaya mwaka netukerute ni waigua mbeca iria karakirihirwo yes
kaya ugaruta
karubeta kana ndika muoyo ri yana indo
komburu ni kuraria bauni
wega biu
ya milioni ri
oh yes aina wakageni arare ku yes aragwishia nio maramurehete
tondu
gũkũ tũrarehe Luciano it's like that. That's Kenny G for you. Oh yes.
Now you know. Karubeta no karihe mundu bauni
wega
no tukombwe
wona mwana urakauha mumererie
yeah
I have never seen that. Jay kayu agekauha mazizio maturiki
nginyaruta tukofokofo
yes ndirakwira uri yari atawacia githu agiwa ndirengia nene o karumbeta
okuhuha
kare nyamu cholo mai right
like
Kirogam. JKA iko wima.
Iko imara.
Imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija.
Na tumesija. Leure. NDC Manenos. Yes. The National Delegates Conference. Of course, the moderator is here. And indeed, fellow Kenyans, our party. And there were delegates from all over the country.
I could tell.
Yes.
From all walks of life.
Started streaming in as early as 5 a.m. Andori. Ni mara hukaga.
Ni mokite.
Inanwe hali agongule skosiri. Kaya howe. You know, there is even a dam there. That is cause ninge gotithia no.
Yaja.
Ondo kwe mbaravire. Mbaravi timusuha.
This is so.
And the setup was beautiful. Yes. Sasa kina Jackson. Jackson. Ango ima.
Namjua.
Yes. You know, he's your go-to guy. Yes. All over. Yes. But there was one very outstanding delegation. Don't let my baby numbers. All the 47 counties, ideally. So Jubilee is a national party. Yes. But there was a particular side. Wapi delegates wa Murang'a, wapi delegates wa Pokot, wale wa Samburu wacha niwasikie.
Makaroria.
Yes. Thank you very much. Wacha nipate delegates wetu wa Mombasa County. Mombasa High. Yes. None of wapi delegates wa Kisii.
Acio mari na volume.
Well, let me tell you mine.
Tell me.
Here's Mwalimu Kengangi. Abagus. Abantu bagus. Walikuwa wamekocha.
From South Nyanza.
Yes. As even a song that was playing. Where she had to get to the kota to bere. Hey, the balance, Freddy Matiang'I. Freddy Matiang'I. I don't remember Ngoni. This beautiful Jubilee girl, what's her name?
Pauline.
Yes, I'll ask Pauline. There is a name they were calling Matiang'I.
Obenda kalito mamu hete karu gogo.
It was something ya yambo. Yes. Well, they had quite a level of expectation. Ado batio kaninge maria igi. Matakunye iro.
Marare na itanya.
Yes. Nagwesi advisedly. It was too early to make any such pronouncements. It was in order not to make any
pronouncement.
So the one Jubilee erigete kuikaradhiri. It's been a while. And the former president admitted that. Now we are now putting the house back in track. Como matiki tutikiracho kidogo choke wiwatiriri. Atenekwa wetu agangania gake.
Atiagangania nayo nganie ko.
Because of course they are the think tanks of any political outfit.
Yes.
Matigiro kile mabuya atiriri atiriri tuandikire yake.
Ngania kana tuandikire yona.
Yes.
Nige kaditiru tagwotene.
Yes. No ningia ndo ya kule marigo ine.
Kianda kiria kia marigo na ikwa. Na igwa kuna.
Yes. Wonero wakorwe ida. It's an agricultural region.
Very.
Ni Marok and ni mali ya bere.
Ni makinyira mali ya bere.
But MC anatangazwa saa ngapi? Wana mtangaza saa ngapi?
Tunataka tujue.
Tunataka tujue ndio tujipange. Unajua sasa uko na program. Wewe ndio kuna program wewe matope. Lazima zikiwe Ngoni. Ni ndio tu yako etagima kodo guwazi. Sakijani kuwa magazi ya jiambao. Gandika private.
Private today.
Nyere mazwine o mali kasejia sako.
Gari kasejia ba.
Yes. Duaro wako mali tarasa kijeni. Tuko odi matope. Wewe wale mga kajeta. Odi matope.
Kuja.
Ulimatope kucha bwana. Nasikia kwa ndio Uhuru amesema ndio utatangaza. Oro Kenyatta amekwambia utangaze saa ngapi? Ni yeye atamuita ama ni sisi tutamuita?
Nigetha mamugire ithano cia kahi.
Tulikuwa tunataka tuchue buroto kuri. Sababu kuna vile tumeelezwa. Tuchue. Ni nani naita nani? Akija patiba ukubwa. Tunamrudishia ama. Dama tulieni nitawaambia. Tutapanga. Usitumie neno kupanga. Yes, yetu. Toa hiyo kupanga. Wapangaji wako kwa.
Wakupanga ni mweno onge.
Hapa tunasema mbele pamoja. Sasa hiyo mbele pamoja tumejifundisha. Wiki mbili tumekuwa tukisema chuvili mbele pamoja. Sasa ndio tuambie ndio tujitayarishe. Tuko na waimbaji wetu. Ujue tu akitangazwa.
Maigirira gemina bu iguru.
Tuwekere bale na Freddy Matiang'I. Bale na Freddy Matiang'I. Mari baba kiande. Bana mora umakeni hazinye kine. Bano minto egwali maritati.
Marare ginya na ikinya.
Muga. Bano minto egwali maritati. Aya, Freddy Matiang'I egwali maritati.
Ni marare na ciegamba.
Evio. Maja, unajua sasa ukiangalia Freddy Matiang'I daktari Freddy Matiang'I ni raineti ya utenyo.
Utenyo no.
Ne ule wao. Eta wati ya field marshal.
Kimathi. Wewe wasiuri wako wao.
Muzwe ka shire muthungu na itimu andu meroreire. Fred Matiang'I ndio utenyo. Ukisoma historia ya utenyo. Utenyo mwenyewe. Utaona Fred Matiang'I. Na Wakikuyu ndio mmekuja visioni. Sasa mmeanza kutafutilia atamu Kimati kwa utenyo. But unless you have read a lot of history, you would not know Otenyo. Sasa Otenyo ni Matiang'I. Tunangoja tu msame asikirie bendera ya Jubilee.
Gunake ni kama huko wao.
Kisi yote ikuwe nyekundu. Ayo godio. Ulimatape. Kuja bwana. Tumefikisha wapi? Ndio nafanya entertainment alafu niite SG. SG ni gani? Ndio kioni. SG ndio atamuita ama tutangoja Uhuru amuite? Kama sasa hiyo ratiba hiyo sio mimi niko nayo. Kutoka hapo nikipatia Secretary General Jeremiah Ngayo wa Kioni, yeye ndio atapele. Omwambie akimuita atuambie mapema.
Atupe signo.
Tupe signo hivi. Tugwajirie. Naambia Olimatape. Ambia ticha hii bana sungusia. Bana sungusia uno Samido ana.
Aigerera Samido ako.
Asijire. Age. Kurage swale Kajomo. Yes. Isiangena. Yes. Mwathe.
The party leader.
Olimatape. Mbona utuitiki? Diama nini? Sasa tunaona programu imeenda sana.
Ekinyereirwo munene eri.
Hii programu itaruti chini kweli?
Marona ne thire muno.
Hii programu. Ulisema uko na programu? Yako imeandikwa je? Kama si unaona yangu imefika wapi? Imefika hapa nilipatia nani?
SG.
Ulimatape sasa tuambie tu kweli. Atapewa. Watampatia? Mtueleze tu kweli tujue kama anapatiwa. Tutayarize mioyo. Ama tupige moyo kone.
Ni maraigwa ni maikaririe ngemi muno.
Ila ni maana riri. Heo ndo na yake kwa gitanya kwaria handu. Wona gweto muthikabu.
Ai. Wetwa thutha wa muthikabu.
Muthikabu mwenyewe hata angegweta.
Which is highly unlikely.
Kura kirika. Olimatape. Olimatape. Watu wanaenda ranchi waruti.
Mara shiragia kwena party tu.
Tunarudi janani. Nango yeye unaita Fred Matiang'I. Yacokia yake maikaria thi. Nikio matanegenete tondu kionete inegene.
Akimaiguithie kurathire ogu atia.
Amere mubango hana atia.
Hana uno.
Yo no tenyo ri. Ndera andu ri arathie. Aithukiirie muthungu. Olimatape. Amemaliza. Mbona anaondoka kabla mabahatia? Watu amesikiria chama amepatia daktari. Amepia tenyo. Ai kaye de marama ne jo expectation marero tutaenda
hivi na hivi
pole hivi tu and then we will certainly get there.
Nimekuamba kuhumukia ciegamba ne gwecirio na ugete gukua ciegamba na mwete horowe na turenga
magi thano wetu ali maja tutaitwa kwani
naitwa siasa.
Siasa ni kujifichiana na kukosa kutoa nini
kadi.
It would have been very weird if there were any such declaration, and I think that was very well advised.
It is.
Ndio kwani nyinyi mlikuwa tulikuwa tunakuja kupatiwa candidates ya 2027 tuonyeshe kinalikati vumbi Ruto tumpeperusie upepo ya vumbi ya Ruto Sugoi likati asikia tulipita
ne mako manage expectations.
Sasa muende polepole, unjui mpango iko namna gani, utaambiwa tu na viongozi wewe. Tulitaka tuanze mapema wakijaribu kufanya kampeni tusapiga tara ndio numbers wakisitu kwa wengi Urutu tutiasirie mulima
mako horera uguo
na kwa beli siku mutamwa tu museme Matiang'I na tosa likati kachagwa tapata kura tu wa Munyoro aba bana tuongoza wapata Sugoi hizo singine zote ni satokitali Fredi Matiang'I otenyo
make horera no tene
damari tia dawe katia
to tene ni mombi thagie ndarama
yoni mata Ajuria. Ori matope kwana kwanga mugikui. Dawe
le kuheta ngima.
Reure. Hezai ho. Tingenu.
Yara kario no.
Ona timara kanda matoko ya. Tone marate tu thoko.
Thoko ya
kanitha. Yes. Ni maita maria maigiro ngori. Ni turuta wira wa gwaka ihoero riau.
Ria Yehova.
Ya Yehova.
Na no wega.
Na wira ucio ni uko we mwega muno.
Muno nyitanirwo ri. Ni ukaga wega.
Wanja tani ndaigua handu haroka nginya githomo ri. I'm usually very passionate about it. Yes. Ni kura kuosa ndi. Ni turaka eto ndo ino ya nasari. Nasari. Yes. Kirathi ni turongerera. Kaundu kau ni goka wega.
Wega muno.
Yes. Leu Mariko ri. Andu mamwita Mariko no wetagwo Mark.
Oh Mark, Mark no Mariko.
Yes. Mamwita Mariko. Ni thuri be ya rugongo. Yes. Hindi ya giathi ri. Ni thoko no ya tigia thoko ri. Ya kiho. Re giathi na kyo kiringana.
Giathi ru athi kanitha-ini is a different thing.
It's a different thing altogether. It could be even the Holy Eucharist. Yes. Leu Mariko ri. Dukiru harambe cia rugongo nacio itiuraga mono structure.
More or less the same.
Yes. And it does not even matter if it is the same locality. Ugethinya Ndaru anothi harambe nyangiti. There are very many similarities.
Nyingi muno.
Yes. Ideally there will be an MC. There will be the church cells, the prayer cells kana ule ya yumeta
miyaki.
Yes. And there will be the guests. Yes. And then there will be hari ni horo wa Mariko ri raffles.
Kurari nginya na rafu.
Yes. Na ungethie kanitha wigua ati rafu ciarehe 200 ri bia. Oho mahio kanitha. Hena indo. Kanitha ucio wena
wina indo
Yes.
Alafu ikinyitie ngirigana ri mbeca.
Yes. Maita maria maigo yu arafu cia rehe ngui ici.
Gatagati ga 6 na 10.
Yes.
Ithakagira hau in ordinary churches.
Yes. No gigethie ni ngebithi ya bangiri waigue kuma arafu.
We kundu na kuo gutari maundu mau marafu.
Tasita muri.
Ndirona magiuthithia arafu.
Ona nilo bishop ri. Sita mkere niri. Ndirona we tagathu. Nala busito ne cia bururu.
Mundu arore rangi.
Maundu kumona fem. Nei nyamu no. Okore Faith Evangelistic Ministries. Ate haria mbere haigirire thamo. Yo heto na ya tathi ya mwisha ino.
Na grand prize ni gathimo katururu.
Grand prize kono ri. Gito sigia ucaji. Mari kore. Ngathi urokerio rafu ri. Arakiwa rehe kairetu. Yake kirahotanwo. Arakirwo kwina birika athitima. Because to electronic ne tu turari. You know yesu ngine kieherio to ne giathukiirie rafu ki.
Ne giathukiirie rafu market muno.
Yesu ngina muiko.
Na ifiriti.
Na karitei.
Karitei.
Mori ara karamu no hetho karitei.
Nere mwageire thitima mukiregeti tawa.
What do you even need a funnel?
Eri makigeretie kurehe tuindo twa kiriu.
Yes.
Ginya tumeme tutu twa gucharge na riua.
Absolutely. Mari kore. Arakiura ara voici.
Ithatu.
Aragura inya. Ndego ikana cio we. Imwe kunengera muruwe. Na tukagu twake twiri hau. Na morio wa murwanyina. Yes.
A serious gambler.
Gwekele multi. Yo ni multi bet. Say kichwa. Yes.
Na go she spread.
Yes. Now as it happened, Hemudrete to mugeni kuwe. And he's not a fan of raffles. So he had sat down with the raffle committee.
Ginya raffle committee.
Nara gwa leko ibaibi horo.
Leko ibaibi horo wa raffle.
Yes. At least ogie mwere kira mweru. That was not communicated to the faithfuls that were there that day. Arabe dwe yake de kanigura fosieka atia.
Geothikia rafu nikyo ikigagirirwo.
Yes. How now the surprises were pulled. Yes. Iyo irathi thiete. Harakinya handu harauga mwene witu. Nani akorwa ima. Wita we nduru. Ni araugie rafu ici ni arigemagia okundu guothe tu thoko. Na arauga he rafu mweri anagirirwo. Aria mena rafu magurite cia bururu. Shirutei. Rafu iyo imwe yayo ni kuhota na nduthi kundu kuriku kanithari.
Nduthi ya wanga.
Yes. Na tiga kanithia. No. Eno higa murigo na jathi wao.
Wairia.
Yes. Dio. Urakianirwo. Tigiti uria wehotanira nduthi muthenya wa muthi. Ne tigiti namba 119 wa bururu. Yeto tigo kirora ihenya nginya rebe utete marota gethi. Yes.
Makirora.
Yes.
119 ya kulisigana.
Ni 191. Wa wake.
Nego shokero rigi
119
igana ria 19
aitio makirora ri Morio wa Mariko ri no rarire mutambo masini. Yes.
Ni agwira nduthi.
Yes. Kura gituika riu agithi haria mbere nduthi eruto haria kuhithitio ni surprise iroka darana yoke
arane yo machapi.
Mariko will hear none of it.
Arenda atia Mariko.
Arenda nduthi yake.
No githe ndarahe terapo.
Arau atiri.
Nie ndiragurite nyamu iriku. Nyenge mune ndiramune ya isungi na thagiri. Ndiramune ya jiko na pegi.
Yacenjia rĩu tondũ nĩyagĩa nduthi.
Rĩu nduthi na mune ate mwana kĩoyo nĩ wakwa njũĩ. Nĩ mwathokeria kĩ?
Mwana.
Niĩ nduthi yo nĩ niĩ ngũneo. Ngamenya rĩrĩa ngamũne.
Wamĩiga na thĩini.
Akorio mari ko ithe ndukwete kuoya mwana tigiti ucokio umucokere.
Apana.
Ni ukumunete okire nduthie kire yake.
Cha.
Mutungatiri hahe andu harathi uru. Nduthie yori. Ona metania na family. Ya mutumia arauga atiri utungati ndugetikire uhoro ucio mariko ni wakwa ndimui aenda kwendia nduthi ino anyue
icio ekira moko
inye ni mui wege ko ihitho ni munyui ni hira tumuhea akerira icio asigia moko ni mui wega ona gukaringa
tukuro ni nduthi na turwo ni mbia
hakwe turwo ni muthuri riu nduthi umuruwe pio etigwo na murio wa nie ona kabato miendia family yake
wari ko arauga tigiti ni uragurite
ni nie ndiragurite tigiti ucio na munyaka wa muciari tiguo wake
mwana
akiro munyaka wena muruguo tondu we ugurite tigiti guku miaka igana ni wa 18 ni wari ona kendie ndaria na ria ndiraria mucoke munjie no ndaria ona tu
ndari munyaka wa kuria
ona tu thipiki
Yu arenda gutunya muru we nduthi.
Yes. Riwe teire muru wa nyina uria mukuru moke macire. Horo je weke ati
uikarirwo thi.
Ogia njira.
Mari ko ni aiganire atiriri. Thigiti ni kuguranira araguranire.
Ori atiri. Tondu kauka gaku ni karacindire mucaino ri.
Uraga gwitia mucaino ni.
Tutiarerio horo cio. Turario horo wa nduthi riku.
Ino.
Irathi kuigwo kwao. Wakwa
mbeca no muruti
ni nie na rucio rungiage ni makeragwo makagwetaga maundu maya ma kuhithania ni marathukia ki
mecie
no the raffle was mine.
Yes, I bought with my money.
My money dina komba mundu ni neo nduthi
Uragia kwirwo atiri.
Yes.
Nyamu uri uranengerirwo ihoero iniri.
Yes.
Oekaine ucio niwe mwene.
Na gutio ndo ungi kuogo. Kogo mio. Ewo atali kuigarania ithe ngacoka kuiwo. Ugo no gutikayo ithurano.
Oh, he is politicizing an unpolitical matter.
You know he has to give it velocity. Magnitude.
Ona muthithia wa rafu angiurio ni ndiracigatire
Itura leo the gothire mwena wa Mariko and he is not excited about that.
He cannot.
Ndu me hotha guri itura riothe
No kioto yako etikwagara
etikwagararwo macokete mwena wa mwana na nyina
ngoma kano the ni kero kira You were telling me there's some developments with the IEBC.
Yes.
Tume ya nini ile tume ama nini?
Ni tume huru.
Tume huru ya uchaguzi na
mipaka.
Naam. Independent Elections and Boundaries
Commission. IEBC.
Yes. Karibu mahura majoro IEBC.
I think these days they don't invest a lot in advertisement and civic education,
when they should,
which is very important.
Yes, it's very important to the maundu maigi andu mangiaga tutiririo ri nit matuhitukaga. Yes,
riu kuma muthenya wa muthi tariki 29
yes,
kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni maranjiriria national wide exercise
yes,
ya kwandikithia aikia eru a kura. New eligible voters,
and they are quite a good number. Yes,
ni nguroraga makiuga mana target kindu about 6.3 million new eligible voters
in the upward.
That's a target.
It's a swing vote.
No, that's a huge block.
It's a huge block if you think about it.
Million ithathatu guturuma ri.
Yes.
Icio ne kura ciena uge bururi-ini.
And if you're a national politician and you don't think that block will swing your side, you should be quite afraid.
You are actually not very serious in politics.
You are not. That's literally a national kick.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a target around 6.3 million. Aikia kura eru.
Yes.
Acio riu ni aikia kura aria magite ifande thutha wa githurano gia 2022. So they should be first time voters. Githurano giki kingi.
Kana mundu for some reason utari we andikithia wikia kura.
For whatever reason.
To kuri andu akuruma matari magia meaning ya wikia kura. Yes.
Riu in short, the road to 2027 has just begun.
And on the road is the race.
Yes.
Yes.
The race has begun. You know, na tete andu ra makiuta ti wega ni moi. Githurano kuhotana githurano ri.
Yes.
It's not an event.
It is not. It is a series of no,
it's a process.
It's a process.
Na riu yabagia ta haha.
It's like clockwork.
Yes.
Yes.
Nigetha ngoro ni he handu uraimu kana he giti uraimu.
Yes.
Whether ni national, regional or local.
Yes.
Ukimenya riu haha andu aria ukiuga ni influencer kana aria ungigitarumiria kuri.
Yes.
Hidino kurandikithio kura. Make sure you have a block of viewers.
Yes.
Uramenya ni hotete kumaiguithia. Kwa anu mabe meyandikithie kura.
Absolutely.
Tondu na magikwendete mateyandikithietie kura matingiguteithia.
Yes. Ona Gen Z's makoretwo you know very actively. They have the opportunity to now have their say. And Ramonia mathiete kuria kwa what is the name of that young man,
Kaluma Boy. Yes.
That was very commendable.
Very commendable.
Very commendable. That was good work. It was a very positive cause. They went for a good cause.
Yes.
And Mara support Kaluma Boy.
And that is a positive use of social media.
Absolutely. And young blood. Rumen opportunity or they win a window, you know. So that they can have their say. Yes. 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 Yes.
You have to be on the ballot.
Kura yako ni usemi wako. Yes.
If you want to have a voice and make a decision.
Yes.
No ginyo koro yandikithitie guikia kura.
Because there is certainly nothing like a vote that does not count.
Every vote counts.
Especially where we are moving.
Yes.
Yes.
Riu hari target ya 6.3. IBC target kwandikithia ta ikia kura.
Yes.
Of course, political players must also do whatever they can. Co-influence as big as you can hari buroko yo o influence nigetha ukamenya aya ri ni andu akwa.
Absolutely. Na we have mutatiri ni ufati uko facilitate civic education ya andu kwandikithia guikia kura.
Yes.
So I think there's also the window of modo geta gucenjia
mundu renda gu transfer kura yake no rio ni ukuhavu guthie wabici cia IBC cia constituency kuri urakenda guthamira.
Oh, let me get this. Tare tuge ni ndi yandikithie kura kama sharia. Yes. Na ndenda ni gucoka guikiria kura yakwa Roiru.
Yes.
Riu guthiro iro kana guthi kama sharia.
Guthiro iro ku urenda guthamiria kura. The constituency office.
Ndimere yakwa ikama sharia ndenda guku.
Riu ndenda guthamira guku. Ndenda guthamira guku polling station yetagwo Ngania. Nigetha ukiri include tondu rumarikia kwandikithia ikia kura ero ni meguthondeka register njeru ya ikia kura.
A new registry.
An updated register.
Yes.
Ikiongererwo atene na aria mekwandikithia ero.
Well, that is quite good. Ruhane okwaje kuigwa tatima kiwa
kura citu cia gĩcagio na cia ithatũ nĩ ikũhĩtũkia mũndũ ĩtũ tware inya Nairobi twathane kuo.
So that window is open.
There'll be all kind of politics, but it is a good thing. I don't know meandĩkithie ikia kura because votes count. Yes.
Na harĩa registration ya ũikia wa kura kahingĩrwo.
Yes.
First step ya gĩthurano ĩgakorwo ĩndĩku.
Yes, yes.
Step ya mbere.
Yes.
Ya and this one is very critical.
Very crucial, critical.
Tondũ atariu andũ arĩa tũingĩtie kura maita maigana ona rĩ.
Yes.
You might not change a lot about how you perceive politics.
Yes.
Not a first time voter.
A first time voter can create a serious tectonic shift.
Yes. So it's a very serious block ya 6.3.
6.3 million. Ndugathake na kura icio tondu riri. President ahotana na kura cigana average.
President Ruto ari na kura cigana. Was it 7.1
something there? Either thora hau muthoni.
Tondu Raila niwe wari na milioni 6 na kaundu hau uguo.
No ya Baba Fidel. Tinga wodia leo.
So kura milioni 6 tinini.
What does that tell you? It tells you she get the block in Mweri.
Yes.
You know that is how heavy
you can change the country.
The whole exercise is. So and largely I think 6.5 issue we are looking at a very big generation of the younger people. I'm a Gen Z.
Na nera makigite ifande thutha wa githurano gya 2022.
Thank you. From this side muthoni nanyo ni President Ruto ari na 7.176 million. Raila tinga wodia lego.
No, they had a very meager difference.
6.942 million.
No wakiona kura 6.
Isi leo ndesio cirata. Ile cirata nyo kwandikithio ri is more than what Raila got.
It's around the same figure.
Yes.
Difference ndoga kindu kura 300.
Go 6.5 ici ri. Cigiukari. Ona ni cikiunanwo. Okay, kao ne akirugama. Uria turamenya ni
incumbent
ni iria charini mugathe president uyu ngitutio
tutire na uma kwa ihinda riri
ona tututue Matiang'I okay na icio 6.5 ona ali okaundu arauga
no that's a serious runner
kana rigathi gwikinya ni aikinya nginya haria
kugikinya maundu ni magathi uguo njere githere
kana President Ruto ri hari 7 points iri akunyirwo taigiri haria uko mwana ucio kwena ciake igiri
okay on that end kuri ona dynamics so is tinga
yeah, but you get my point.
I get your point.
My point is 6.5 million votes.
Turauga buroko ya aikia kura aria eru mako yandikithia.
Yes. Igeci hamwe no omwe.
Igithi uguo i buroko. Ona tukuge matigwithio the.
Na ni mathie milioni 4
kana 5. Yes. You see, that's a serious tilt in the matrix national politics.
No, it's a serious tip. Yes.
Any politician would want such a block.
Yes. And we are actually educating them right now. They might not give us the credit.
They never.
And they should. And
no, Tomasha
they cut. No. Are muna yakira siasa especially mara president. Those are the dynamics.
Yes.
Ruto are na kura 7.176 million. Raila 6.942 million. And there is 6.5 million hali ogbo liko in the buffet.
The good thing na 6.5 no era target kwandikithio.
Yes.
Ni ati first time voters ni mako mari very excited guthie githurano kio kia mbere.
Yes.
So if you capture them,
you are probably home and dry.
Yes.
Tondu riu ayagi aya maikirie Ruto na Raila ri probably they will have, like you said, the kind of same
you can study their behavior.
Yes. No aero ri hapo sasa ndio keki iko
how ri if they hit that target here 6.5 million voters
yes.
That will be the swing vote.
Yes. It's kind of a cookie jar for any national politician or even region.
Yes, even region, of course. Turaki go horo counties ciothe.
Yes,
so
yes.
ni ratiri ko down counties, constituencies na ward.
Oh yes.
This was a very serious exercise.
Very serious exercise.
Ndakwira hari ikarikira kwandikithio aikia kura eru.
Yes.
New strategist asiasari. They can now start sitting down.
Yes.
Na gwika ithabu.
Yes, yes.
Tondu that will be the first step. Ya gukonclude githurano kiria kiroko gia 2027.
Absolutely.
Now no muteti akagira ithabu.
Yes.
Kwaja wa president akamenya kani akahituka
kakari Gathaiya cio kamoto
no akamenya ndakwehera
kagiera nigetha akaririo
tagacine mbica
kana nigetha akaririo
but maikara thi meka analysis cia numbers.
Yes.
So you remember the tyranny of numbers.
Absolutely. You see like babu wino kwedi arahostitwa ne Wakirumba njoro-ini ya kothi augie ni akire scientific research na akimenya ni akuria kundu kuri
ni akuria guku
ndamenyete kurugama ku no ekie research ya kumenya the voting trends in Embakasi East. Yes.
Riu kiari kama ikara thi ri you do an analysis of the numbers.
Yes.
No gagithima ukamenya giki ni kuria kana no kuingira ho ubangaize
kana gute. Yes. Na you Gen Z, the young ones, jiandikisheni kupiga kura.
Yes.
Yes.
That is the only way your voice will be heard.
You see, you can come together. It's a wonderful thing. Kama old Kaluma boy. That was quite commendable. And it's no more kuita na maodo ine magi. But if you want to shift the decisions of this country,
yes.
Mwena mwekiosyo jiandikisheni.
If you want to bring change,
yes.
No ginya we andikithie ta muikia wa kura.
Absolutely.
That is number 1. Number 2, no ginya ukaumira goikia kura.
Yes. That is another thing. Neguo.
Kwandikithia is one thing.
Yes.
Na goikia kura is another thing.
Absolutely. There is nothing like a vote that doesn't count.
Every vote counts.
Oh, yes.
Now you know.
Now you're aware. You're in the news.
The road to 2027
courtesy of JKA
has begun. Mark this date.
Yes.
29th September 2025.
Oh yes. Engineer tasharuga niki mutaragwa ta 400 cia waja kwa
it's neither here nor there.
Onero iteki. Icio nĩ cia kũringaringĩra ũgakonia gĩthĩi gĩa thĩa.
Mũgatũrũme we arĩ naki.
Arĩ thĩ wa Jakoya.
Ũguo nĩ narĩa njomo kana thĩ.
Ai.
Aiko Jakoya arĩ na mana.
Ara mũgatũrũme arĩ naki mũthoni. Eta atia mũmemerekio mũrata witũ.
Waihiga.
Yes.
So mũgatũrũme arĩ Mwaure.
One ithe Mwaure. Morore hau tumenya ina gatu.
Aiko Jakoya arĩ na mana arĩ. Mũgatũrũme should
119 hau. Adiete wega muno. Results ya presidential elections results ya 2022 Kenya. Yes. None Mwaure ai na gato.
President Ruto was 7.1.
Yes.
Raila was 6.9.
Yes. And the others now.
And the others.
Eyes of Wajakoya. Wajakoya was just heavy noise.
Abiri agifacia haha ukire no horo wa ruku.
No aruku.
Na hiti.
Especially some he had a preference for male hyenas.
Na koinainia.
And he did a launch that looked like a reggae concert.
Now you know.
Now you are aware. We'll get you that statistic. Yes.